Chapter 1: Hardware and Software. Computer is a machine which performs different types of functions and jobs. There are different parts of the computer which work together for forming a computer system. Hardware: the physical parts of the computer which you can touch or feel are called hardware. A computer also has different parts. Some parts of the hardware that can be seen outside are monitor, keyboard, etc. These parts are attached by wires or cables to the CPU, whereas some parts of the hardware are inside the CPU, which can be seen only on opening the CPU. The hardware of the computer is classified into the following parts: input devices, output devices, processing devices, storage devices. Input devices: these are the devices which are used for entering the data or give input to the computer. Some of the input devices are keyboard. It has many keys which are used for entering the data, such as alphabets, numbers, and special symbols. Mouse: it is used for selecting, pointing, and dragging the items while working on the computer. Trackball: it has a ball on the top which is used for moving the pointer on the screen. The ball is rolled with the help of the finger. Scanner: a scanner is used for copying a picture or text printed on the paper into the computer. Web camera: it is used for sharing pictures and having live chat with our friends and relatives using the internet. Microphone: it is used for recording our voice and other sounds in the computer. Light pen: it is like a pen which is used on a special pad. Whatever is written on this pad can be seen on the monitor. Joystick: it helps in moving the items on the screen. It is mostly used for playing games. Output devices: these are the devices which are used for showing the output of the data processed. Some of the output devices are printer. It is used for printing the information on paper from the computer screen. Monitor: it looks like a TV screen. The data we enter in the computer can be seen on the monitor only. It also displays the processed information. Speakers: they are used for listening to sound effects and music which is stored in the computer. Processing devices: these are the devices which are used for processing the information entered in the computer. Central processing unit is the most common processing device. Some other processing devices are graphic processing unit, sound card, motherboard. Storage devices: they are used for storing the data. The main storage device is hard disk. It stores the entire work which we do on the computer. Some of the other storage devices are used frequently are as follows: CD, DVD, pen drive, hard disk. CD. It stands for compact disc. It is a flat round disc which stores a lot of information in it. DVD. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc. It can store more information than a CD. Hard disk. It is a device which stores a huge amount of information in comparison to CD, DVD, and pen drive. It is present inside the CPU box. Nowadays, hard disk is available separately also. Pen drive. It is small and can be easily carried in pocket. It can store and transfer data from one computer to another. It is rewritable. Software. It is a set of instructions which tells the computer what to do. It is the part of the computer which cannot be touched. It is necessary to have software for making the hardware work. There are two types of software: system software, application software. System software. It is a set of programs which controls the working of a computer. Operating system is the part of the system software which makes a computer run. All the input and output operations are managed by the system software. The links between different parts of the computer is managed by the system software. Some of the operating systems are MS-DOS, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Unix, Linux, Mac OS. Functions of an operating system. Some of the functions of an operating system are as follows. It provides login password for preventing the misuse of computer. The overall working of input and output devices is controlled by an operating system. It helps in running the different application softwares. It keeps a track of information regarding deletion, creation, and transferring of files. Whenever required, it allocates memory to different programs. Application software. With the help of application software, we are able to do specific type of work. Some of the application software are as follows. Presentation software. It is used for creating slides, animation, and video in a lively manner. For example, Microsoft PowerPoint. Word processing software. It is a word processor software which helps in creating documents quickly and efficiently. Many features can be used for changing the appearance of text in a desired manner. For example, Microsoft Word, WordPad, OpenOffice.org Writer, etc. Multimedia software. For creating videos, animation, sound, graphics, and text with high degree, this software is used. For example, Windows Movie Maker, Windows Media Player. Spreadsheet software. It helps in performing calculations and displaying data in form of chart for analyzing it in a better way. For example, Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123. Lesson sum up. Hardware and software are the two basic parts of the computer. Hardware is the part of the computer which can be touched. Input devices are the devices which help in giving input to the computer. Output devices are the devices which show output after the input is entered. Software is a set of instructions which tells the computer what to do. Software is of two types, system software and application software. System software is a set of programs which controls the overall working of the computer. Application software is designed for doing a specific type of work.